Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalang.
Swamiji, it has been said that as we act, we take birth according to our action. So if we have done thing, we must take birth according to the law of God.
You must take birth.
Yes.
That is a fact. You cannot avoid it.
Therefore,
But according to karma, you have to take birth.
but therefore, this means that you pay what you have wrought. Yes. Therefore, do you think that
when this heart is sold, you have to purchase one sart.
Yes.
Now that sart you have to purchase according to a price.
Yes.
If you have good price, then you get a good sart. If you have no money, then you get a bad sart.
I wanted to say this, Swamiji, that hell also is situated in this world itself, because where do you think that we can pay our debt? The sin, the debt of our sin. Where do you think that we pay it? In the hell, which is not
hell is the place for your punishment.
Therefore, it is on the earth itself.
Why Earth?
In the planet Earth, no?
No, it can be
in any planet.
many millions miles away.
But it is not located. Only hell is located in one place, or a paradise is located in another place. Do you think so, Swamiji? But there are many
different planets.
There are many people who in this world itself that.
So they are first of all trained up in that hellish planet, and then they come here to suffer the same standard of life.
When our soul gets out from our body, do you think it goes to the hell or
hellish planet
hemisphere? Or it takes birth immediately afterward?
Yeah, those who are sinful, they do not take immediately birth. They first of all trained up in the hellish planet how to suffer, to become accustomed, and then they are taken birth and suffer. Just you pass IAS, then you become an assistant to the magistrate, you learn, and then you are posted as magistrate. Even if you are fit for going back to home, back to Godhead, you are first of all transferred to the universe where Krishna is now present. And there you become accustomed, then you go to real Meera.
Therefore, after our death,
every arrangement by God is perfect. Purnam. Purnamada. Purnamidam. Purnat. Whatever is created by God, that is perfect. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.